An insect crawling through a rainforest. 47 million views. An abandoned house transforming into a luxury mansion. 31 million views. A piece of fruit. Talking. 28 million views. Every single one of them is viral. A faceless YouTube channel in this niche crossed $30,000 in a single month. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create all three. Using just two AI tools, Nano Banana 2 for images and Kling 3.0 for video on one platform, Artlist. The platform is trusted by over 50 million creators worldwide. So let's dive in. Head over to Artlist. Artlist has become the go-to platform for AI creators. You'll see all the latest AI models available. We're using two today. Nano Banana 2. It follows your exact prompt with a cheaper rate. Kling 3.0 takes your cinematic stills and breathes real life into them. Click the AI toolkit at the top of the page. It is your creative command. Insect POV videos are exploding right now. The immersive first-person perspective triggers pure curiosity, and curiosity means watch time. To make such content, go to AI Image. Here's my prompt. Ultra-realistic macro photography. Large red bullet ant with a tiny action camera. Don't worry, the prompt is given in description. In the Settings panel, select Nano Banana 2 model. Aspect ratio as 9:16. Quality as 2K. Where Nano Banana 2 supports up to 4K resolution. Hit Generate, and after waiting 20 to 30 seconds, there it is. Look at that. Completely immersive. You can animate, edit, recreate, or upscale it. Now it's time to animate it. The photo is selected as the first frame. Just click to the video option and select the model Kling 3.0. It generates up to 15 seconds of ultra-realistic video with natural movement and built-in dialogue generation. Okay, type the motion prompt. The camera instantly switches to full first-person POV. In the Settings panel, select Aspect Ratio as 9:16. Keep audio on. Select the duration and hit Generate. The detail is insane. It looks like it was filmed by a camera crew in the Amazon, but it was generated in under 2 minutes. Talking food video. Talking food videos are funny, educational, endlessly repeatable. Let's start with the prompt. Pixar-style strawberry character sitting inside an open modern fridge. Hit Generate, and after waiting 20 to 30 seconds, there she is. Our glamorous strawberry, ready for her close-up. Let's animate it. Here's the full prompt, with the dialogue written directly inside it. A strawberry character speaks with confidence. Hit Generate, and here it is.
Good morning. They call me a fruit. I call myself a pharmacy. Vitamin C, potassium. Zero guilt. Now eat me.
One image, one prompt, and suddenly your food has opinions. That's the power of Kling 3.0. House restoration video. House restoration videos tap into something deeply satisfying in the human brain. Type Abandoned 1800s Southern Plantation Mansion. There's our haunting, dramatic, old house. Now for video generation, just use this image as the first frame and type Before video prompt. Male workers working to restore the abandoned house. Look at that. Six workers, scaffolding, construction chaos, all from one image and one prompt. Now for the after video, I'm going to use the last frame of this video as my first frame. So just take a screenshot of it and upload it. Type prompt. Fully restored ultra-luxury marble mansion. Hit Generate. Watch. white marble, crystal pool, golden lights, from an abandoned ruin in under 2 minutes. In your editing software, just add them. That's the moment that makes people gasp. Watch this. 200 years of decay, reversed in seconds. That before and after moment is what stops the scroll every single time. These 3 niches are wide open right now. The creators who start today are the ones who will own these niches in 6 months. Everything I use today is on Artlist. Link is in the description. Pick one of these 3 niches and make your first video this week. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to get more updates. And I'll see you in the next one.